Hi, Avon Independent Sales Representative Cindy Cartrip. Campaign 10, the new products that are in Campaign 10. So I have the Anew Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Stuff is amazing. This product is on sale for $22.99 and will be $40 regularly. And then we also have a new product. This is the vitamin C warming peel that you put on. So you put this on and then you activate it with water. So after you put the peel on, you wet your fingers with water and then you tap it and it starts to warm. And it helps with brightening your skin and it draws out any kind of imperfections. And you just wipe it off with a washcloth. It's a great mask. And then we also have a new vitamin C antioxidant lip treatment. So this is what it looks like. It's in a white case. And it's orange colored. And this visibly plumps the lips, smooths and conditions. Makes them look more youthful. And I have to tell you, it smells so good. And it works awesome. And if you buy the vitamin C serum, the brightening serum, and the warming peel mask, you get the lip balm, the lip treatment free. Okay, so if you buy these two items, you get this free. And we had a vitamin C serum before, and this is a new one. They just changed some of the ingredients in it. So they made some improvements. 99% of the women agreed it instantly boosts the radiance of their skin. Your skin's going to look brighter, and it's with 10% more vitamin C in the serum. So these are the products that are on the cover and the lip treatment. So I'm really excited about these products because I like any kind of peel masks. And again, you don't peel it off. It's a warming peel. So you put it on, you activate it with water, and it starts to warm and do its thing. But good stuff. And then the next product I'm going to talk about is our Anew Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir. This is a serum and an oil in one. It is regularly $50 and it's still on sale for $34.99. So you can purchase any of these products from me. I'll have the information down below. And so this has the titanium black pearl extract, and then it also has the oil, the luxurious blend of argan oil, camellia oil, and other precious oils. So there's 2 different products in this vial, and when you push the cap, the product comes out, and then you mix it together, and then you put it on your face. This product is awesome. 89% of the women showed improvement with texture, radiance, and wrinkles, firmness, and moisture, because this is also a moisturizer. And you can use this along with your daily skincare regimen. So this product can be used, and I want to say that you apply it in the morning and the evening. So you use it morning and night with your daily regimen. And then the other product there's 3 of them that I have to talk about, is our new sheet masks. So these are our new sheet masks. And this one is the cucumber aloe vera. And this one is a calming sheet mask. And then we also have a brightening sheet mask. This one has grapefruit and vitamin C in it. And then we also have the smoothing sheet mask. So this helps with any kind of wrinkles. And it has chia seed and resveratrol. I hope I pronounced that right. And right now they're only $2.99 each, and they're regularly $5. So again, you can purchase these. So they're sheet masks. We've had some other in the past, but these are brand new and they're awesome. And we also have our Naked Proof products. So this is our anti-cellulite cream. 98% of women saw improvement in just 4 weeks. I've been using it and I've seen improvement, and I love these products. So this is the anti-cellulite cooling gel. We also have the firming cream. So this is called Affirm Yourself Firming Body Cream. 96% of the people that use it showed improvement in firmness and tone of their abdominal area and the hip area. I use this on my arms and in those other areas. And then we also have one other cream, and this one is End of the Line Stretch Mark Minimizing Lotion. I use all 3 of these, and I really like this one the best because over time, you have children, you know, you do get stretch marks in certain areas, and I've seen a very big improvement with this product. So it says that women have seen results in 2 weeks, dramatically reduces the appearance of stretch marks. So I know this also helps with scars, because I've had people purchase this and they've used it on a couple of little scars, like whether it was where you had an incision when you had surgery, and they said that it's helped with that too. So these products are awesome. They are still on sale, 2 for $20, or you can get one for $18. And I'll have all of the links down below. And then the other product that I absolutely love is Avon's Flourish Honey Blossom. So this is Avon's Flourish Honey Blossom. It smells absolutely delicious. It does smell just like spring. So it is regularly $28, and it's on sale for $15.99. And it has sparkling apple blossom in it, blooms of honeysuckle, and then notes of vanilla orchid. And the first thing you smell is the apple blossoms. And then you smell everything else, the honeysuckle and then the vanilla. It smells really great. It would be a wonderful Mother's Day gift. So the bottle is beautiful. It's very pretty. I'll put it a little bit closer. And for that price, you can't beat it. If you do have an Avon brochure, and it is campaign 10, on that page where Honey Blossom is, there is rub your wrist here to experience the fragrance. So you'll be able to experience it. If not, and you would like a sample, you can always contact me. I'd be more than happy to send you a sample. But these are our products that are in campaign 10, which are all fairly new products. And another thing I wanted to show you was our A box. So if you spend $40 or more, you can get the A box for $10. And the value of this A box is $45. And the products that are in here is our Anew Hydrofusion Deep Puffing Eye Serum. You're also going to get an eyeliner, and it is in the color, wait a minute, it's a brow liner, and it's in the color dark brown. So get an eyeliner. And these are both full products. Yeah, so it's a brow definer and it's in dark brown. And you're also going to get the, this is a brow kit. So there's 4 stencils in here. So you would put them up against your eyebrow and then you would pick whatever shape you want, because there's 4 different ones. And then you would use the pencil to stencil your eyebrow in. Avon used to carry these a long time ago, and I sold them like crazy. It also comes with a little brush. So you get the 4 different stencils and the brush. Plus, you're going to get the brow definer and the deep puffing eye serum, which I think is a great deal. But Avon used to sell these, and I sold them like crazy. So I'm kind of glad they're back. I'm hoping that they'll be in the brochure soon, because a lot of people like these. And again, so that's the A box for campaign 10. So these are the products. This is what it looks like. And then I'll show you it with the cover. It's a cute box. I have started collecting these. I just like the boxes, and I actually have been displaying them in different areas in my office. But I think the value of the products inside are awesome. So if you spend $40 more, you get this for $10, which is a great deal. Okay, so all my information is linked down below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And thank you very much.